Welcome back, everyone. Today we are diving into one of the most exciting and important subjects in art: how to draw faces. Now, faces can seem intimidating at first because they carry so much detail and emotion. But if you approach them step by step, thinking about structure and form, the process becomes much clearer. The very first thing to understand is form. Form is the three-dimensional structure of anything you draw. A face isn't just a flat surface. It's made up of shapes that project and recede. The forehead, the nose, the cheekbones, and the jawline. If you can visualize these forms as simple shapes like spheres, cylinders, and boxes, you will have a strong foundation to build on. For example, the skull is essentially a sphere, and a jaw attached. The nose can be thought of as a wedge, and the lips are sort of volumes wrapped around the wedge. When you draw, don't just copy lines. Instead, train your eyes to see these forms and how they sit in space. This is where observation comes in. Every face is unique, but the underlying structure is consistent. By observing carefully, you will notice subtle changes or subtle differences in proportions, angles, and shadows. Building your visual library is also a key. Every time you study a face, whether through live drawing, reference photos, or even sketching people around you, you are adding to your mental database. The more you draw, the more you observe, the more naturally it becomes to recall these forms when drawing from imagination. As you practice, focus on proportion. The eyes usually sit halfway down the head, the bottom of the nose halfway between the eyes and chin, and the mouth halfway between the nose and chin. These are basic landmarks, but remember, every individual has their own variations. Observing those variations is what makes your art feel alive. Now, proportions are key. Remember, the eyes sit roughly halfway down the head, and the bottom of the nose lands about halfway between the eyes and the chin, and the mouth sits halfway between the nose and the chin. These are general landmarks, and they help keep things balanced. Go ahead and lightly sketch in those guidelines. So when you are drawing faces, think about three things: form, observation, and building your visual library. Combine those and you will not only improve your technical skills, but also develop the ability to capture likeness, personality, and emotion. Okay, so I'll quickly show you how I go about drawing faces without any commentary. For now, leave any questions or suggestions you may have in the comment section, and I'll be sure to respond to each and every one to the best of my knowledge. Hit that like button if you found this video helpful in any way.